Okay, let's start creating a free account in Microsoft. First, type portal.office.com in your browser and then select create one and then get a new email address. Then type your preferred account. Sa akin is Dante Custodio. Automatic yung mag-create ng at outlook.com. Click next. Yung extension natin is at outlook.com. And then, provide your preferred password. So, hindi naman yan case sensitive. Kahit ano yung ilagay nyo dyan, pwede yan ma-accept ni Microsoft. Click next. And then, yan po, meron dyang parang instruction. Just follow na lang kung ano po yung nakalagay. Click done. Okay, so next. Yun. So, you have now a free account in Microsoft. So, meron yung 5 gig na free for OneDrive. And then, meron na dyan, meron ng Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams. Yung Teams hindi mo pa yan agad-agad magagamit. Kailangan ba natin mag-sign up ulit sa Teams? Kasi kailangan natin i-sign in or gawa tayo ng account na pang work or organization para ma-invite natin maya doon sa business account natin. Alright.